Alrighty, so the other day I had the opportunity to do an overnight test drive with the refreshed Model 3, the Model 3 Highland, and I wanted to see what the camera quality looked like in comparison between my 2019 Model 3 and that one. One thing to note is I have upgraded the side cameras because I had some light bleed that was happening, and so I swapped those out. I believe I have revision E if you're curious about the technicalities behind it, but I just did a quick little loop with both vehicles about 15 minutes apart. It was well after sunset, so there's no real difference in the light that there was outside. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and play those side by side for you here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Other than that, hope you have a great rest of your day.